All right, so this is a continuation of getting my dry suit, which is a Pinnacle Liberator, repaired. If you want warranty work, Pinnacle will not send you a shipping label. You're going to have to do that yourself. I've sent it U.S. Postal. I put a $650. I put $650 insurance on it, even though it's an $1,800 dry suit. I don't think anything's going to happen to it anyway. I put 3-day shipping and tracking on it. So they have to sign, somebody at Pinnacle in Florida has to sign for it. And I have, it's tracking. So that wind up costing me $51.50 to get that shipped. I don't know what UPS and I don't know what FedEx would have been, but rumor has it that UPS or the postal service would be cheaper, because I know we tried to send a small box by UPS and it was like over $100 just to send that. So I don't know if they went by weight. I'm not sure. You'll have to check that out and see which direction you want to go with, but I went with the postal service. So stay tuned. We'll see what transpires out of this repair of the Pinnacle Liberator Dry suit. If you like, give me a thumbs up, subscribe, share, and we'll catch you on the next Dana's Vlogs. I guess I'll have to send it searching for, or my scuba